What's up, y'all? Welcome to Flatlander channel. This is our this is our ski boat converted into a bass boat build that Jody and I are teaming up on. Stay tuned because Jody's going to be starting a channel as well. He already has a channel, but he hasn't really decided on a name, so he doesn't really want to announce it just yet. But anyways, I'm going to be working on the boat today. Jody is not here. Anyways, we're going to go in here, or I'm going to go in here and start tearing out these little pieces of floor that goes right in between that fiberglass. And hopefully I can lay in some new plywood that I have. And then I want to start trying to get ready to build the casting decks back here in the back. Get this thing ready for spring. This is our spring project. So this is the Midnight Dangler. Anyways, I'm gonna get to work.
beer while you're working sometimes on the boat.
All right, y'all, that's pretty much it for today. I've got the floor done. We're ready to start building our bench seat, which is going to start right there at the end of that 3/4 inch plywood. And that's also going to be the back wall or the front wall to our casting deck. Casting deck's going to come up to about right here. So it's coming along. I knocked that floor out pretty quick. Next episode should be building the bench and the casting decks, the front and back casting decks. So stay tuned. It's going to come together quick.